Yes, you can check your water heater for leaks yourself if you know exactly where to look and what to listen for. Start with safety by turning off power at the breaker for electric units or setting the gas control to pilot for gas units. Then close the cold water supply valve at the top of the tank to slow any active leak. Scan the entire tank from top to bottom with a bright flashlight, focusing on pipe joints, the cold water inlet, the hot water outlet, the pressure relief valve, and the drain valve near the bottom. Feel gently around fittings and the tank base for dampness. Then wipe with a dry paper towel to confirm moisture instead of condensation. Lay a dry paper towel under the tank's base and under the drain and pressure relief valve discharge lines, then check again after 15 minutes to spot slow seepage. If you hear a faint hissing or sizzling at the top or bottom, that often points to a dripping fitting or a wet electrical element area on electric models. To differentiate condensation from a leak, run hot water in a nearby tap for 5 minutes, wait 30 minutes, and see if moisture returns in the same spot with the paper towel test. The most common mistake is tightening a dripping drain valve with pliers until it scars the threads or cracks the valve body. Instead, hand tighten the cap, add a garden hose cap with a rubber washer, or replace the washer inside the drain valve if it is serviceable. Another frequent issue is assuming water at the base means the tank is ruptured when it is often the pressure relief valve weeping due to high pressure. Verify with a pressure gauge on a nearby hose bib, and if static pressure exceeds 80 pounds per square inch, install a pressure-reducing valve and a thermal expansion tank. People also overlook slow seepage at dielectric unions or the hot outlet nipple that only shows as green or white crust. Gently clean the crust. Wrap the threads with high-quality thread seal tape followed by a thin coat of pipe dope and refit the connection snug but not over tight, checking again after the tank reheats. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy for homeowners to find local plumbing pros when a leak is beyond a quick fix or when you want a quote for replacement. We help contractors showcase their work and connect with nearby customers, and we host a discussion community where we share tips, checklists, and practical how-to advice on water heater diagnostics and repairs.